Hey guys, we're on a Buick Encore, replacing the shifter assembly and trying to see how to get this shifter knob off. What you got to do is pop this piece off. Get this out of the way. What you got to do is this tab right here, stick a pick in there and it will slide down. Alright, so we have, let me put this here, you got a tab right here and a tab on the other side. So once you release those two tabs, that will slide down. Then you come over here, you can see the little locking piece right here. Take a pick and pop this out of here. Like that. Pop it out of here. Then this should pop right up.